What are all values of x for which log base 2 of x minus 4 plus log base 2 of x plus 3 equals 3? All right, whenever I see these log problems and I have x floating around in a log, that means I have to get rid of the logs. So that's what I'm going to do. First things first, though, I see that I have a log base 2 being added to a log base 2. I can multiply the insides. So if I multiply the insides, it's actually a FOIL problem because you're multiplying x minus 4 times x plus 3. So it's a FOIL problem. X times x is x squared. Plus 3x minus 4x is minus x. And then minus 12. That's going to equal 3. Now I have to get rid of that log. It's a log base 2. So what I can do is I could take 2 to the of both sides. So 2 to the log base 2 cancels out and you're left with just x squared minus x minus 12. 2 to the third is 8. If I subtract 8 from both sides, I now have a very familiar looking zero product property problem. X squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. Does this factor out? Can I come up with two numbers that add up to -1 and multiply out to -20? Yup. How about x minus 5 and x plus 4? That equals 0. And according to the zero product property, x is going to be 5 and -4. Oh, but beware. Whenever you're solving a log problem and you're trying to find the x living inside a log, check your answers to make sure if your answers make sense. What I mean is, can I plug in 5? 5 minus 4 gives me a 1. All right. 5 plus 3 gives me an 8. Fine. What's the issue? Can I plug in -4? -4 minus 4 is -8. I can't take the log of a negative number, so -4 isn't allowed. So there's always a trick whenever you're doing these log problems and you end up with more than one answer. More often than not, you're not allowed to have more than one answer. Check your answers and make sure that only one of them works because only one of them in this case will work, and that guy is 5.